ChuChu Daily Surprise Eggs! Hey there, Mr. Harlow!
I'm glad to have you back, my friends! It's a special day today!
Oh, tell us about it!
It's Father's Day!
Wow! We all love our dads!
Like mothers, fathers are special too. There is a saying that goes, "Greatest gift we ever had came from God. We call him Dad."
Aw, that's amazing! So, what are we gonna learn today, Mr. Harlow?
It's a surprise! Look at this!
That's a toy forest! Wow! Look! There are so many big eggs and little eggs! Yay!
Let's open the eggs, Mr. Harlow.
Yeah! Hi!
Let's open the first egg with the magic word.
ChuChu Cha!
Surprise!
That's a lion! That's a baby lion!
What do we call the baby lion?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby lion is called a cub. Look at Daddy Lion roll and play with the cub.
Hi!
Let's open the next egg with the magic word.
ChuChu Cha!
Surprise!
Wow! It's an elephant!
That's right! It is an elephant!
It's a baby elephant!
So, what do we call the baby elephant?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby elephant is called a calf. Look at Daddy Elephant teach the calf to take a bath. open the next egg with the magic word.
ChuChu.
Surprise!
Oh, yeah! It's a kangaroo! It's a baby kangaroo!
So, what do we call a baby kangaroo?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby kangaroo is called a joey. Look at Daddy Kangaroo teach little Joey to box. Let's open the next egg with the magic word.
ChuChu.
Surprise!
That's a deer. That's a baby deer, Mr. Harlow.
So, what is the baby deer called?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby deer is called a fawn.
It looks so cute and naughty.
Look at Daddy Deer teach the fawn to hide in the grass. Let's go to the next egg.
ChuChu.
Surprise!
That's a tiger, Mr. Harlow!
The baby tiger. What is the baby tiger called?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby tiger is called a cub.
Look at its sharp teeth!
Look at Daddy Tiger teach the cub how to hunt. Let's open the last set of eggs with the magic word.
ChuChu.
Surprise! That's a gorilla.
It's a baby gorilla.
So, what do we call the baby gorilla?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby gorilla is called an infant. Look at Daddy Gorilla play with the infant. Today, we learned a lot about daddy wild animals and their babies. It's getting dark, and it's time to go home. So long, my friends!
Goodbye, Mr. Harlow. Bye-bye. Open. 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 Surprise!
It's a stroller.
What does the monkey say?
It says, "Ooh, ooh, ah, ah."
We use a steering wheel to steer and turn the bus. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a lion.